Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedworks here, coming to you with another new, great, and exciting product from the team here at Speedworks. A-arm bushings. These are CNC machined A-arm bushings for the 2019 to 2024 Polaris Axys, Pro RMK, and Matryx RMK models. We'll break it down and show you, 600 all the way up to 900. You'll see it on the screen here. It'll show you what they're for. But yes, CNC machined. The stock ones, they're just a cheap injection molded piece. Manufacturers do it all over the place just to save cost and be more efficient. But as you can see with the stock one, if you jack up the front of your sled or put a dirt bike stand underneath it, you'll see there's a lot of play and slop in the A-arms, and a lot of it leads back to these bushings. We have a very similar line like this for the trail sleds. But yeah, there's no real secret to it. We use a real good high strength plastic that'll last a really long time. We CNC machine them to a real tight tolerance, and it eats up all that slack. And it takes all the slop and the play out of your front end, and just overall your suspension is going to perform a lot smoother, a lot more efficient, work a lot better. It'll take all that slop and free play out of the front end and stuff here too. And we have a little video here to show you on this sled behind us. One side we put our bushings in, and we'll shake the ski and the arms and stuff, and you can see where there's no slop. Then we'll go to the other side and show you the stock one after about 1,500 miles, which this sled has on it, and show you the difference between the two. 100% made in the USA. Retail price is $143.20 for a set of 16 of them, so that'll do the whole front end. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, let us know.